counting down the minutes till I'm counting lines splitting, hitting divots on a slow you down road. With the firestones humming, hand surfing, air coming through the front and the back windows. Been dreaming of the other side of this work week waiting. I'll be pedal down and open wide. When the traffic starts breaking, I'll be waving, saying goodbye city, hello country. I've been thinking about saying that all week. A little down home with the stars up above me, my kind of weather on wine. My life's a little better with some dirt on it. Sure sounds like a soul-saving cure, don't it? I'll be fishing in the dark, nitty-gritty. Goodbye city, hello, hello, hello country. Hello. Yeah, it only takes a second, like an old friend getting caught up on a small town talk. Yeah, the boot starts fitting, no way starts slipping, turning hay back into hay, y'all. And I'm all goodbye city, hello country. I've been thinking about saying that all week. A